Right, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of developing a problem statement, which is one of the first tasks that any buying group needs to do as you're starting an evaluation. So this sits within the problem identification phase of the buying process. Help me write a problem statement. And I'm going to go through the process that so many companies are going through at the moment, which is deciding whether they should and how they should implement AI within their organization. And so here we go. Can you help me define a problem statement for implementing generative AI models into our company? We are exploring Claude and ChatGPT. Okay, so that's our initial ask. And then now Kowalah goes off and then creates that. And we're going to start chatting. So I'm going to ask you a few questions to understand a bit more about your situation. And then I'll draft a problem statement for you. To start with, could you tell me your name and the name of your company? Additionally, could you describe the business problem you're hoping to solve by implementing this? Okay, great. I am Charlie and I head up, let's say, marketing at Acme. We are a logistics company. I know nothing about logistics. Anyway, we're a logistics company based in the UK. The reason why we are looking at embedding AI is that we are quite a traditional company and have previously been slow to adopt technology, and I want us to be on the forefront of this compared to our competition. Seems reasonable enough. Thank you. I've noted that Acme is a traditional logistics company based in the UK looking to implement generative AI. Tell me a bit more about how the issue is currently being handled at Acme. Are there specific limitations or challenges you're facing in the current approach? Yes, so today we have no company that provided AI tools, but I know that many of our team are using free or paid accounts on their own payment cards. I am sure this introduces a risk around our data, and I am sure we aren't getting the best out of the tools. Sounds like there's a lack of centralized AI tools at Acme, leading to potential data security risks and so on. Could you share more about the quantifiable impact of this problem is having on your company's operations, productivity, or profitability? Additionally, who are the key stakeholders affected by this problem? How does it impact their work? Good question. Well, we understand that AI is going to transform our industry. Definitely in optimizing the way we plan our routes. I mean, I know nothing about logistics, but anyway, it will also give us the opportunity to launch new AI-powered products for our customers. We anticipate an additional 8 million euros of revenue to come from AI-enabled services, making that up. I also believe we can expand our operations by 20% without having to hire in more people. In terms of the stakeholders, there is Helen, our CEO, Jim, our CFO, Glenn, who is our CIO and handles the IT side of things, Emily, who is our general counsel, to focus on the legal side of this. And in terms of users, it will be our entire team. All right, thanks for providing that detailed information. Now could you share if you've explored any alternative solutions to this problem? Now, because I'm just doing this as a recorded video, I'm going to jump ahead a little bit. I can do, but for now, can you give me a first draft of the problem statement so I can review and react to it? All right, here's the first draft of the problem statement for you to review. Let's let that. There we go. Here's the problem statement. Acme, a traditional logistics company based in the UK, is currently facing challenges in adopting advanced technology solutions. The absence of centralized AI tools has led to potential data security risks and inefficiencies as employees independently use free or paid AI accounts. This situation hinders the ability to stay competitive in an industry poised for transformation through AI. Background, relevance, objectives, and so on. And of course, if this was me doing it in reality, you start reacting to that and developing the problem statement in a lot more detail. But that just gives you an example of how the chat interface for Kowalah helps guide you through creating these specific documents that are going to help you as you go on your buying process, whether it's for AI tools in this example, or a payroll system, or an HR system, or a customer support system. So sign up at kowalah.com. You get 5 free chats to play around with it. When you're on the home screen here, start a new chat. We did help me write a problem statement, but depending on where you are in your own business evaluation of a technology, there are plenty of other areas for you to play around. Enjoy.